Hi, good morning, students. Today I will teach you a topic of computer languages. This is for the class 5th. First of all, what is language? Human language. Commonly we use to express feelings and understand other person expression through the language. It can be oral or gestural kind of communication. So this is the basic language. But now I will teach you about the computer languages because computer is a machine and machine cannot easily understand our languages. First of all, computer language. It is the language of the computer. It is different from the language that we usually use to communicate. Machine code is a computer language which is given in a series of zeros and one. It is a tiny electronic switch that is either on or off. When the switch is on, it represents 1, and when the switch is off, it represents 0. The using of only two numbers is called as binary code. The language of the 0s and 1s is called the binary languages. 0 means off and 1 means on. Computer language is divided into two parts. First is high level languages. In short form you can say HLL, and low level languages, that is short form is LLL. Now what is the high level languages? High level languages brings the programming closer to the human languages. High level languages have their own punctuation, means syntax, rules which are strictly observed. High level language has their own syntax. HLL are needed to be converted into machine language. The conversion is done by a group or program as a called compiler. In HLL, first of all write the instruction and then computer will change it machine language. Advantage of high level language. In high level language, instruction are easy to read, write and understand, easy to update, easy to remember the address sequence of the instruction, and easy to construct the complex logic instruction. Logic instruction can make easily in the high level languages. Logic means logical operation like AND operation or operation. High level languages are common for all the machines since it is a machine independent, because computer is a machine and high level language is machine independent, so it is easily written. Now disadvantage of high level languages. First is speed is too slow because it is a high level, and second it occupies more memory space in computer. Now what is low level languages? The assembly language and the machine language are considered to be the low level language. Assembly language is a step above the machine. Correct programs are compiled and interpreted to low level languages. Compile means in which program are only checking, and interpreted means program will be converted in machine code to low level languages and executed by the computer. Some advantage of the low level. First, processing speed is high because it is 1 to the 1 languages. Second, translation of the program is not required. Third, it occupies less memory space, so it is better in memory. Disadvantage of the low level languages. First, low level language instructions are difficult to read, write and understand, difficult to update, difficult to remember the address. Programming methodologies vary from machine to machine. Only specialists can be able to operate their language. So this is the disadvantage of low level languages. Now some questions according to this video you can give the answer. First, write any one advantage of the high level language. Second, write one disadvantage of the high level language and low level language. Write any two difference of the HLL and LLL. And fourth, write the full form of HLL and LLL. Thank you so much to watching this video. Please listen this and give the answer carefully. Thank you.